Isn't there like a parasite that turns snails into zombies too?
Yeah. It's called
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
I concur. I don't know. I was trying to think of the name, but I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea. I just saw that video of like the little parasite infecting its eye posts.
Yeah,
There's
like that
just,
worm.
Yeah, it's gross. Oh, hi!
Oh, hi.
Okay, well, hey, hello, humans.
Welcome to Forgotten and Replaced.
This is a news segment called Junk Drawer,
I don't know what's going on.
where we look at junk. So,
We're excited.
I suppose that we're about to receive our package in the mail here. Here it comes. Here it comes.
What are we supposed to do with these?
What do we got here?
Yeah, you picked that up on.
We got Made in China Tamagotchi.
Oh, we have a ball squeezer here.
And also a Made in China Tamagotchi. Two of them.
Wait, there's straight up a Tamagotchi?
Yeah, it's a straight up.
I
Yeah.
love this.
also
Okay,
got-
go. Yeah. I like how I just bit this open. It's not 3+ because they'll swallow it. Meanwhile, I'll just eat the fucking plastic. Like the
I had no
bear.
troubles getting in. I don't know why you had to bite it.
I have hands that are
Yes.
kind of like toes.
Yeah, fair enough. Are batteries included?
No, you just pull the little tab.
Oh, you pulled the tab. The tab is pulled, and I have a little.
I have a bunny.
I have a bunny. It's
Oh
not,
well,
you're not
it's
special.
not cool.
You are
anymore.
no. You're
I
not.
don't. I'm leaving
Oh, I get a
it for
chicken.
dead.
You can get a chicken if you want,
A chick?
or a panda bear
I
that
want
looks like
chickens.
a skull.
How do you do this?
A pan.
How do you do the chicken?
You just press the cancel button
Oh
for
my-
some reason. That's the button.
Oh, I've always wanted chickens.
Ooh, I can be a whale.
No, it changed to the fucking panda. I don't want any of this shit.
Who in their right mind would want to Tamagotchi a shrimp?
What the fuck is this blob?
Okay.
Oh, we
Did
got.
you use
yeah.
these? Did you use these as a kid? Because I didn't get
No.
into this at all.
No, I'm gonna
So
leave my
absolute-
cryptic blob to die.
I'm gonna leave. I got apparently Patrick Star is an option on the this Tamagotchi here.
Okay, so testicular cancer is important. I don't know anything really about it. Oh, okay.
You just gotta feel for the lumps.
Yeah, you just gotta
Found
feel for
one.
them.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Don't! I don't want to clean that up. Don't! That's terrifying. This is supposed. These things made me so anxious when you broke it. You've made
What is this goop? Okay, is this a goop that I can't decimate?
I'm gonna try and fix this because I wanted to play a little bit with it.
I know you. You like to play with the balls. but
Well,
prefer-
Joey knows all about that.
It kind of looks like Jello, and I'm not a
Ooh.
fan of Jello.
I don't know how much I like.
Ew, it kind of It's
Okay, before you break it, I want to. Ooh.
Can I just squitch it?
Yeah, it's cold. It's cold and slimy. It's cold and
If I could describe it, it would. It's like. What is this like?
it's like if Jello. It's like if someone experimented on Jello in order to make. Allow it. Yeah.
Oh.
I can get closer.
It feels like the residue is on your hands.
It's just so cold. Like, why is it so cold?
I'm not gonna tell you what it reminds me of.
Please, no, go ahead. What is this? What do I remind you of?
Wow. Well, it kind of is like, it kind of, you know what, it kind of feels like egg whites. Like raw egg whites. Like if you were to crack an egg and be like, oh, I'm going to give this to my child to play with.
It's getting stretchy, isn't it? Hey! I get my own piece to play with now.
I can't deal with that. I can't deal with that.
What is this made of? Where
Okay.
Can you find the camera? Oh, there we go. All right. No, it's noise putty. You're supposed to make it fart. You're not even supposed to take it out of the thing.
It hit the wall.
Oh no. If that doesn't appetize even the least hungry of souls, I don't know what would.
This is for the men in the audience.
I don't know about you straight guys, but that does it for me.
ASMR.
It doesn't even fart though.
No, not anymore.
Push it.
It queeps. Oh God, this was good.
I could do this all day.
This noise buddy. And here I am flinging it at the wall.
You're just. What
What
does it do? What is it?
Slap.
For ages 6 and up, do not swallow made in China.
Do not swallow. Oh good, it's made in China. You know what that means.
It means I just
full
got
of lead.
Yeah, I got lead poisoning all over my fingers now. That's fine.
Yeah, I need to do the noise again. Like
No, look at.
yeah. 10 minutes in the Netflix and chill. I'm sorry, but like, if I heard that, I would leave. I would just be like, yo, I'm sorry.
Keep it down back there. I'm trying to sleep with your.
What are you, fucking stirring macaroni?
That is kind of the mac and cheese noise.
You just... Want some cheese?
I'm making mac and cheese.
Want some noodles? Okay.
What have you done?
Hello, bunny. What would you like to do?
Kill me. I'm trapped in a tiny $10 piece of plastic. I want to die.
I don't know what to decide though. Like, I can't pet it. I can't interact with this thing.
Well, so far, I would say that of all the toys, I mean, this got the least amount of a shot, I think. I gotta try and squeeze the stuff back into the other... Squeeze it back in there. Well, I'd say out of all of this stuff, the noise putty was absolutely the best.
I don't know. I kind of like the, like, this ball thing. That's all we have for you. That is it. That's it. That's it. Clayton, we're done. We're done. It's like, oh, I broke it anyways. Okay, this has been Forgotten and Replaced in junk drawer. Oh yeah, see. We'll see you next time when we unravel a bear.
Unravel?
In a crate that we got from Russia.